Dealing with a Cox internet outage can be frustrating, especially when it takes your Wi-Fi down with it. So, how do you get back to streaming, gaming, or just mindlessly scrolling through cat videos? First off, resist the urge to frantically reboot everything. It's tempting, but Cox advises against it during an outage. Instead, grab your smartphone and check for updates. The Cox mobile app or a quick log into your Cox account can reveal if there's a confirmed outage in your area. If it's a widespread issue, the waiting game begins, but if not, it's time to put on your tech troubleshooter hat. Start by checking your router and modem lights. Those little blinking indicators are like Morse code for your internet sanity. If they're not flashing the way they should, it might be a local hardware issue. Find your router's network name and password. It's like the secret handshake for your devices. Reboot the router, wait for the lights to do their disco dance, and see if that magic touch restores your Wi-Fi. Still no luck? Cox suggests a full reset. Locate that tiny reset button on your router, hold it down with something pointy, and let the device do its digital yoga. If all else fails, consider channeling your inner techie superhero and contact Cox customer service for backup. After all, even the mightiest Wi-Fi occasionally needs a sidekick.